Okay, so today we are going to look at how to create a drop down in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so when we are entering data, sometimes we make mistakes because of typing errors. Okay, so to avoid those typing errors, we can use a drop down list. Okay, instead of typing something manually, you can simply select from the list. Okay, so like here, if you look at my table here, I have name, gender, and occupation. So I have to type the name here and the gender and the occupation. Okay, so I can say male. Okay, I can say teacher because I'm a teacher. Okay, so as you do that, sometimes you can make a mistake and you can't even notice that you have made a mistake. So to avoid those mistakes, we can use a drop down. Okay, we can use a drop down. So the drop down can help us to avoid typing errors. Okay, now creating a drop down list, it's actually very simple. Okay, so what you do, you select the area where you want to have the drop down. Okay, so in this column under gender, I don't want to be typing here male, female. I don't want to do that. So I just want to have a drop down where I can select male or female. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all this column up to wherever I want to end. Okay, so once you have selected like that, okay, go to the data tab. Okay, here, okay, click there, and once you have clicked there, go to data validation. Okay, data validation here. Okay, and then click on the drop down there. Okay, so you have data validation. Okay, so you are supposed to choose that option there, data validation. Okay, so you click there, and once you click there, this is going to appear. Okay, so when this appears, by default you are going to have a here. Okay, here you are going to have any value. Okay, so when you have that one any value, it means that currently you don't have any validation, so any number that you are going to enter is accepted. Okay, so now what we want to create is a drop down list. Okay, so we are going to click on the drop down there, and then from this list here we have any value, which means that you don't have any validation. You have whole numbers, decimal numbers. Okay, and we have list, date, time, and text length, custom. Okay, so I'm going to talk about these other things next time, but today I just want us to concentrate on how you can create a drop down in Microsoft Excel. So when creating a drop down in Microsoft Excel, we select the list. Okay, so you are going to select the list option there, click there. Okay, and once you have selected the list there, come here where you have where it says source. Okay, so this is where you are supposed to tell the computer where the location of those items which you want to be appearing on the drop down list. Okay, so you can put them anywhere. I can put them even here, or even here I can put them. Okay, but for me I prefer putting them on a separate worksheet. So I'll go to sheet 2 where I have typed things that I want to be on, that I want to be on my drop down. Okay, so remember we are under the column called gender. So under gender, these are the options that I want to be on my drop down. Okay, so I'm going to select that. Okay, so you have seen that if you look at this here, it shows that it shows this. Okay, equal to sheet 2. Okay, and then we have that one there, which shows where which is the source for our drop down. Okay, so we are going to click on the OK button there. Okay, and when we come here, you can see that now we have this. Okay, so once you click there, you are going to have this list. So instead of typing now there, you can simply select male. Okay, if someone is a female, you can just select female. If it's male, you just select female. So simple as that. Okay, so this actually, even when it comes to data entry, you enter your data more faster than typing manually there. Okay, so that is how simple you can do it. Okay, so we can do the same even under occupation. Just select up to the end, just select up to the end, and then tell the computer the location of the items which you want to be on the drop down. So like I said, you're supposed to be on the data tab there, and then go to validation, data validation. Click on the drop down there, then select the data validation option. Click there, and then you are going to have this. Okay, then here choose list. Okay, choose list. After you have done that, come to source. Okay, where do we have the items that we want to bond the list? They are on sheet 2. So we are going to click on sheet 2, and then these are the things that I want to be appearing under the drop down. So I'm going to select all of them. Okay, and once I do that, I just click okay, and it will take me back to the sheet 1. Okay, so this time you can see that we have the drop down there. Okay, so you just click here. If the person is an accountant, say accountant. Okay, someone is a teacher, say teacher. So even when you are doing data entry, it becomes very easy because you don't have to type things, and you enter data accurately. Okay, because there is less typing. Okay, so this is how we can create a drop down in Microsoft Excel. Okay, that is how we can create a drop down in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so that is what I wanted us to do today. So I hope that you were able to follow nicely. If you haven't understood nicely, you can still write your question under the comments, then I'll be able to respond to you. Okay, if you are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Let's meet next time. Bye.